Okay, Sage, this is video 2. This is how to thread your sewing machine. So put the thread through the middle onto this. And then you go, down and then draw it up. So let me do that again from a different angle. So you go down and then pull it kind of up and towards yourself, and it goes in the little hole. Okay, and then you go through the thread tension guides. And then you go down around this and up. So down around that and then up, and then go to the right side of the thread lever, go back and pull it forward. There's a slit there and it'll put it into the little hole. Then come back down with it, and you're going to put it on this little hook. Oops, sorry. You know, put it on this little hook. Yep, and then you put it through the eye of the needle. Okay, then we're going to wind the bobbin. So let me back up a little bit. And this opens up. It's a really good storage area. You can put full bobbins here. But we're just gonna take this out. So this little door comes down, and then pull this out. Now you can see there's kind of these curves, so if you pinch that, you will, okay, that is, hold on a second. It was working before. You'll pull out the bobbin, which this is the bobbin. Okay, you're going to take your thread that's threaded through the needle, and you're going to see this little hole here. Put through the hole, and then I just kind of through the hole. I just kind of fold my finger over it and pinch it along the rim there, and then wind it a little bit. And then you're gonna take it over here. You're gonna flip this out. That's just to guide the thread. You're gonna take your bobbin and you're gonna stick it on there. Push it on. Why isn't it going on? There we go. And when you do that, when you stick the bobbin on, it disengages your needle, so your needle won't go up and down right now. And push on your foot pedal. I put the bobbin on the wrong way as far as the way I wound it on. I'm pushing on the pedal, making that go around and fill up with thread, and the needle is not going up and down. Okay, that's good enough for our purposes here teaching. So just pull it off. It's kind of difficult, kind of tight, but then you take it out of this guide and you can fold that back down. And then we're going to cut the thread. Separate the needle thread from the bobbin thread. And wind it around a couple times. If this little piece that you put through the hole is still there, like it didn't get pulled flat by winding it, go ahead and just snip it off so it's mostly gone. Then you're gonna want the thread coming off the side that's away from you over. Do you see? So that's on the far away side. And then you're gonna take the bobbin casing or holder and put the bobbin in. And then there's a little slot here where it goes through. And you're gonna pull it up till it comes up, whoa, till it comes up here. Okay. And then you're just gonna kind of leave it hanging. You're gonna put it in there. Just press it in, that's good enough. Okay, now you're gonna turn the hand lever, or hand, what do we call it? Hand wheel, towards you, and it's gonna lower the needle, engage the bobbin thread, and pull it up through. Ah! Sorry. Hold on. Pause.